what we got in the house garage today, since it's raining, we're in the middle of a hurricane. 2024 Subaru WRX, and my son wants to put gauges in it, and the gauges that he wants to put in is oil pressure and oil temp. You can't pull the oil pressure out, because if you do, then the car won't start. The factory oil pressure. So what we got what they call a sandwich plate, which goes between the oil filter. So what we're going to be doing today is we got to take it off, trim it. These will fit down in a little lip, put it back on, and then we'll run his gauge. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a line that goes straight down, and then I'm going to take this lip all the way off, all the way around. So there's the lip taken off. We got to clean it up just a little bit. I don't know if the plate will actually fit in there like that or not, but we're going to keep trimming her. All right, there's that lip. I'm gonna take and cut it down so it ain't so razor sharp. Get some cleaner and clean her up. Put your transfer bolt back in, tighten her down. My calibrated elbow says that's good. Everybody hates the squeeze clamps. I love the squeeze. There you go. Now let's see if she fits. Like a glove. Alright, so this is the glow shift. You gotta be careful. The way they made this bottom seal said if you look, it's got a groove in it, like 2 O-rings. And it's made into a solid on this side, and it's got a groove here. If you over torque these or tighten them down too much, this groove right here will cut the center of the seal. So don't over torque this. So the inner one was 15/16. This one is 1 1/16. Like I said, this one don't have to be tight, super tight. I'd say make it tight enough that you can't turn it. There you go. Just gotta be careful when you go take it off. You could spin the whole thing. All right, we get some liquid thread sealer on it. Doesn't take much. Now I want to look at the temperature probe. Yeah, see it's in there, but it's not touching anything, so that's good. The gauges we're using, it's got a 14 and an 18 for the sensors. 15/16, which removes this cooler, oil cooler. There's a through bolt down there. And then the adapter itself sits in there, and it's held on by 1 1/16. This is part of the kit. That's your 1 1/16. And then this screws to the other end that is 15/16. Once you got to take it off so you can cut this lip off, so the sandwich plate will fit. Thread seal our plugs, and we're going to stick those in there. All right, we're going to do a leak test. We got a leak. I'm not sure. All right, so we got it installed. Our leak was this, the oil temp sensor. We just had to keep turning it in, so it got a little bit tighter, and then finally it just quit leaking. So it's got pipe thread sealer on it, and then you got, this is your oil pressure sender. Same thing, threaded sealer, your mount plate. Let's put it in the glow shift sandwich plate into a Subaru 2024 Subaru. Now we're going to run the wires, put the gauges in. We might film it, we might not. It's not really a how-to on putting gauges in. We just wanted to show the glow shift troubles on putting that thing in. So the tools that we had to have was a 15/16 deep well socket, an 1 1/16 deep well socket, an 18mm, a 14mm, and a grinder, carburetor parts cleaner, and then an Allen wrench to put in the plugs, and then just your general thread sealer.